Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to bring beautiful UI designs from Figma straight into Roblox, but ran into that annoying paywall with Bloxporter, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to walk you through a totally free, super simple workaround. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import high-quality Roblox UI elements into your game projects from Figma, all without needing to shell out for premium plugins. Let's jump right in and make this process as smooth as possible. Okay, since Bloxporter requires a paid plan for importing, we're going to use a different strategy. Instead of getting stuck at that paywall, we'll use free templates and tools that get us nearly the same result, just as quickly. Think of it like taking a shortcut around a toll road, same destination, but you keep your money. To start, head over to the Templates and Tools section within Figma. If you've never explored this area before, no worries, you'll usually find it from the Figma homepage, often in the left-hand menu, or you can search for it using the search bar at the top. This section is packed with all sorts of ready-made resources, and for our purposes it's an absolute goldmine. Now in the search bar within Templates and Tools, type in Roblox. Don't worry if you see a lot of options pop up. What you're looking for are the free Roblox UI templates that are shared by the Figma community. These templates are collections of Roblox-themed buttons, frames, panels, icons, and all sorts of UI elements designed specifically for use by Roblox creators. Take a few moments to browse through them. When you see something that matches your style or the feel of the game you're working on, go ahead and select it. It really is just like scrolling through a mini shopping mall of ready-built Roblox UI pieces, except you don't have to pay. Once you've found a template you like, open it up directly in Figma. Sometimes this will create a new draft in your workspace, other times it'll open in a community preview window and you can just click Duplicate or Open in Figma. Once it's open, you'll see all the different UI elements laid out on the canvas, usually organized in frames or groups for easy selection. Now comes the really fun part, picking and choosing exactly what you want for your own project. Simply select the UI elements you need. You can use the standard Figma selection tools to highlight an entire frame or just individual buttons or panels. If you hold down Shift, you can select multiple items at once for copying. Don't worry if things look a little overwhelming here. It's a bit like picking ingredients from a buffet, just take only what you need. After you've made your selection, copy those elements. You can just hit Ctrl or Command+C as usual. Then switch over to your own Figma design file. Find the frame or page in your project where you want your new UI to live, and simply paste these copied elements in place. They'll come in at the same size and style as in the template, so you can start tweaking them right away to fit your game's color scheme or layout needs. And that's it, you've now imported polished Roblox UI directly into your Figma project, completely for free and without having to rely on expensive plugins like Bloxporter. Take your time refining the UI and feel free to remix what you find to really make your game stand out. Remember, don't worry if the first copy-paste looks a little off. Sometimes you need to nudge things into place or adjust the scaling, and that's totally normal. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this workaround helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have down below. I love reading your comments and helping you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving Roblox and Figma tutorials. See you in the next one.